Greetings. You know me as the Wolverine from the X-Men. While it might sound a bit unusual talking to a superhero with blades coming out his hands, only means you need to listen to me. Let's switch to a more serious tone for a moment. I'm here to present an exciting opportunity that can significantly enhance your monthly earnings, the Crazy Cash Cow Flier. This program offers the potential to earn $200, $400, or even $600 daily, and when someone joins, you'll receive a bonus of 5 books of stamps. The process is straightforward. Distribute your personalized flyer. The icing on the cake? You'll experience the satisfaction of finding both cash money and stamps directly in your mailbox as a guaranteed reward. Should you have any questions or require additional information, please feel free to visit www.allyourmoney.net or contact Rick at 346-704-1754. Don't let this exceptional opportunity pass you by. Embark on your journey towards financial prosperity with Crazy Cash Cow Flyers today. Here's how to get started. Go to www.allyourmoney.net. Pick the Broke No More flyer and print it out. Follow the instructions and mail it out. Make sure you call me because I just may have something special for you when you join our team. Every time someone joins, it helps support our prison ministry. Thank you and may God bless you.